Hi YouTube, this is Cameron Simpson for the CS Trades 101. Thank you for joining me here today. I'm not a financial advisor or a broker. So, we are covering AMC first thing like we always do. I'm just going to log on to some stuff like we always do in the morning. Just going through the same routine. So, we'll just wait for a couple of people to get online here. Okay, it's that device. And there we go. There we go. Okay. Got everything happening this morning. Okay. So, we'll just wait for some more people to jump online here. Okay, so we are covering ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings. Its closing market, it was $59.04. We're at 3.58 in the positive, in the green. Pre-market, we're at 56.60. We're at negative $2.46, and we're negative 4.17. So we'll see if that changes when market opens here. We're just going to jump around here and have a look. Right here, I have a bit of a video lag going on here. Okay, things are straightened out a bit. There we go. So yeah, let's pre-market. GME is $22.50. We're at negative 3.25. I can't believe that. That's the whole market's red right now. MicroVision's at $20.42. It's negative 3.52% in the red. AMC's dropping fast, guys. So we'll see what happens when market opens. That usually corrects itself. We did almost hit 60 bucks. We were over 60 bucks yesterday, but I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened with it. It was just ripping really good, and then things just went downhill. Usually power hour, like I think we got some people selling that are taking profits. That's the only thing that I can think that is happening. So it is what it is. We can't change that stuff, right? Just go with the flow. Looks like we're having a bit of a sell-off now. We're almost down 5%. Come on, market, open up and correct it. So I'm gonna clear that. So it's Wednesday today. Usually Wednesdays aren't the best for trading on any stock. Usually I find that's just my opinion. I just find that that Wednesdays usually are in the middle of the week. People don't like spending money. Yaddy, 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 yaddy. Yeah, it's taking a hit right now. Look at this over here on the chart. Wow, just a lot of red. Lots of red. We didn't have that much volume last night. I think that's part of it. And then I think there's a lot of institutions that are taking profits right now. I think that's part of it. But we'll see. We've got 1 minute to go here when it opens. We'll see what happens here. Hopefully we'll get a correction. We'll see from there what happens. Good morning, brother. Good morning, 6MT. Oh, what a morning it is. What a morning it is. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, I'm not liking this first thing in the morning. I woke up about an hour ago, and yeah, it's just, I was expecting it to be like, I want to see it up a couple 100% in the pre-market. That can happen, man. That gamma squeeze can happen in the pre-market. And there's no breakers to break it, right? No halts. So, like, things can just rip, right? I don't know. We have a lot against us on this stock. There's a lot of things that people that don't want us to get rich off this, right? This is a catalyst stock. Okay, market just open. Oh, shit. Fuck. I kind of had a feeling this was going to happen. Okay, we need a retracement back. Come on, slam that up. It's fighting. It's fighting like heck. I don't know about today, man. I think I don't want to put any negative vibes out there, but I don't know. It's all around that 18th date. If that 18th day doesn't do anything, I don't know about AMC. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I have no idea, because I've been holding this stock for a long time, and I do have a lot of money invested. But come on, we got a reversal. There we go. That's what we wanted. There's a lot coming in here right now. Holy crap. There's a lot of volume coming in right now first thing in the morning. That's a little bit above yesterday. But a lot of it's, I'm looking at the market cap here. Yeah, it's a lot just trading back and forth. I think it's somebody's hammering on us hard right now. Yeah, we're getting hammered on hard this morning. Damn. Shit. That's not good, man. Wow. Already down almost like 8%. It's not a way to start a morning. The whole market's just crashed. Holy crap. The whole market. Look at BlackBerry's down 3.92%. It's at $16.36. Wow, man. Let's have a look at the whole portfolio. I'm lost a lot. I've probably lost $8,000 this morning. Damn. Just on AMC. Wow. I'm not liking this, man. Okay, anyways, let's get our spirits up here. Here we go. Let's fight back here, guys. Like, come on. Dump some volume in here and just hammer on these guys. That's a bad line. I did not want it to test that 555. It's not good. It's going to be hard for us to get back up. That's a long friggin' way to go. Yeah, look at that. Okay, let's I want to zoom out here. I'm going to put it on I'm going to put in a 30-minute chart here and have a look. Yeah. It looks bad, but it's not that bad. Okay? We've come a long ways. We've done a lot of work. We've lost a little bit of momentum. We're down. I know we're down about a half of our volume, about 10% plus 3%. Yeah, about 10%, I would say. But let's put it back on the 1 minute here. What do you think about this 6MT? What do you think, buddy? Is there something happening? Anybody grab any news? I'm going to pull some news up here. Just give me a minute here. Damn. Oh. We are fighting like heck here. Sorry, guys. I had a long night last night. I was doing a little bit of work on this thing, and I couldn't see anything that... I think they were just trying to scare us. It definitely, because they know the 18th is coming up. There's a whole bunch of shit happening. They want you to sell. There's a lot of people selling for some reason, man. I'm looking on Reddit. People are dumping the stock. They're going other places. That's the problem. What happened was, I'll tell you a story here. Okay, you know when you shoot a 12 gauge, you know the buckshot when it shoots out? That's what's happened to us. We didn't stay focused on one stock. We spread it out too far. That's what the problem is. Okay, guys? It's shitty because we would have had this up into the hundreds by now. Maybe in the thousands. It's just that people went to Clove. They went to BlackBerry. They went to, what was the other one? Churchill. They spread way too far. They spread too much money out, man. If we would have focused on one fucking stock like we were supposed to do, things would have been better. We're going to do good. We're still going to do good, guys. It's just that it's not going to go into the thousands. I'm sorry to tell you that. It's not going to go... It might go into the 1,000, but it's not going to go into with the thousands. Like, it's not going to go 5, 10G. There's no frigging way. Not with this much volume. We need way more volume. We need triple the volume. we could hit up in the hundreds for sure. I could definitely see that happening, but I wanted to go to 1,000, man. That's $1 million. Like, but we got to fight. We're fighting right now. It usually takes a bit for the market to correct, right? See, look at the reversal. Damn. That's testing some water right there, guys. What's GME looking like? Oh yeah, it went back up a bit. GME's at 217.55, 206. Oh, it went down again just as I said that. It's at 2.83 minus. They are trying to scare us. They are definitely trying to scare us. We definitely have a fight on our hands from now on. Like, we thought we had a fight before. But those new rules coming out pretty much blocks them from a lot of this crap. So I don't know if they don't give a shit and they're just picking up fines, but it's too early. We can flip this. Oh yeah, oh for sure. Oh no, buddy, I'm not being negative on this. No. I know we can do that. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this, buddy. I'm very transparent on this channel, right? No, we got this. I'm not selling out nothing. I'm holding mine strong, man. I got almost 1,000 shares here. I was just looking at them yesterday. We got ahead. This is what they're doing. This is what they've done in the past. It's just shenanigans for sure. It's a false image, right? Because like if when in doubt, pull out on the screen. And if you look like what I showed you earlier, it looks really, really good. Okay, we're just down a little bit. It is a tug of war. Have you noticed that too? You noticed that too? It's just up, down, up, down, up, down. We just got a reversal. Now it's back again. And that is very, very bullish. Okay. Those are long wicks. We were having that. I think, just hang on a second. I'm just going to check what we had yesterday morning. We had the same kind of action. So it's the same group of people. They will get tired and they'll lay off. What happens is that they're getting fined and they don't give a shit about the fines. There we go. There's that same action. See what I mean? The long candlesticks, man. See that? It's the same group of people, I bet ya. It's the same fucking whales, okay? Bad whales, man. Yeah, because that's not normal. Look at all the little candlesticks. Those are testing limits. That's what they are, pullbacks, right? So let's go back on the 1 minute. Yeah, eventually they will get tired. Remember that day it shot up like 70 to 100%? They just got tired. They backed off. They backed off for 2 seconds. Do you know where we can hammer these bastards? Is at lunch hour. That's when we gotta. Too bad we're not more. Too bad we don't have a group where we all were on. It was Reddit, but it's infiltrated now. There's hedgies all over it. There's warnings on it. I've been watching the fucking the messages. It's all bullshit. It's not true. It's not apes on there, man. Apes don't talk like that, right? They can't talk like us. They try using the lingo and it just comes out wrong, right? So, anyways, back to this. I'll blow this up for you guys here because some of you are watching this on smartphones on your way to work. So yeah. Anyways, there we go. Damn, look at the volume coming in. Not bad, not bad. I wanted to buy some more stock, but I don't get paid. I'd buy like another $100 worth of stock right now. But I just can't. I don't have my paycheck. What day is it? Wednesday? Friday? Hey, actually, I might throw some money in on Friday. That will help the cause. That's what I'll do. I'll just a little bit. You just bought another $600. Good for you, brother. Good for you. I can't right now. I will not stick it on my line of credit. Right? I got a substantial line of credit, right? Because my house is paid off already, right? I did that a couple months ago. But the thing is I will not take, I just have rules with myself. I've been trading for a while. And when something does go wrong and you're paying that interest on top of it, it hurts, man. Especially on a credit card. I did that once with $5,000 and ouch, it was so hard to pay off, and plus you get interest right away, right? At least where I'm from, you do. Every state's different. That's right, brother. We do need to show who the fuck the boss is. And the problem is we gotta I think on Friday I'm definitely gonna buy some more shares. I have to donate to the cause, man. Here we go. So we're doing exactly what we did before. We got to do this in baby steps. Okay, looks like they're getting tired. You're right, brother. You called that directly on. You did call that. They're getting tired. Look at this. Because they can't keep on doing that forever. They probably picked up $100,000, a couple $100,000 worth of fines there. You can't ladder attack anymore. It's so against the law. And this stock is being watched by a fucking needle, right? I have a needle. Pardon my language as I get worked up over this shit because I know I can see the volume coming in and it doesn't make sense. There's no way that we traded 22 million shares plus and we're sitting at negative 3.67. There's no fucking way. So anyways, enough of that. Enough about the rant. Looks like we're going to pull the ropes harder. Yeah, we are, buddy. We're doing this. We're going to do this today, guys. There we go. We're on our way. Might take a little bit, it'll take a couple goes here. We're getting it. We got it from 6% up to 4.5%, right? I'm just going to put this on the 5-minute. It's not as bad. There you go. Oh, I was getting tired of looking at all that red. It was starting to make my eyes go crazy. Yeah, we baby stepped this thing right up to like $70 before, right? It's crazy. We did it. Yeah, I'm kind of liking this 5-minute candle chart better, man. It's let's have a look here. I just want to check something out here. I just want to have a look. Yeah, it's a little bit more. It's not as direct though. I like to be right in the now. Yeah, let's leave it on this one. So I'm just going to jump over here. Let's cover some other stocks. Let's get on GME for a second here. Let's have a look around. Okay. GME, $216.09. We're at negative 2.88. GME is doing all right, down 3. It's the same as everything else on the market today. Everything else is in the red, so it is what it is. There's a big fight going on. All these things are getting hedged today. So there's dates coming up on most of this crap. So what they're doing is pulling their crap again on us. But we got them. Yeah, let's look at some MicroVision here. Good call, brother. MVIS. They're not doing that bad, actually. They are... Just hang on. They are in the red, but not by much. They pulled their ass out of it. They were down here this morning, right? They're gaining momentum. I can see a reversal here in the next candlestick for sure. Right in here would have been a good buy. First thing in the morning. Yeah, they're definitely want to keep this down in the 20s for sure. Because if they get up into the 25, 30s, this thing's going to friggin' rip, right? So, it is what it is. It is what it is. So, it's still looking not bad. Like, definitely. Even crypto's down a little bit today. Yeah, Doge keeps on going around from 0.32, 3.1, 3.4, back and forth. I don't want to spread myself too thick. That's what they've done. That's what everybody's done. They bought into other things and they've pretty much spread us out too far a little bit. But that will happen we got a news catalyst coming on. We had lots on AMC. We got a lot of coverage. Everybody knows who AMC is now, right? Let's have a look at BlackBerry here. Okay, BlackBerry, $16.16, 5.11 in the red today. The whole market is going slowly down, but it's a good buy. There's a lot of good buying options right now. Definitely. Look at this double touch bottom here. Head in this, no, that's not. This is double touch bottom of W, okay, forming, which usually is a bullish trend, okay? I could definitely see this going up a bit today. Oh, I just did a vote on BlackBerry this morning. Oh, let's grab some paperwork here, guys. I'll cover my number up. There, I just did my vote this morning on BlackBerry. There's my ballot vote. So, I just did that this morning before I went on. I forgot about it, actually. It's due on the 23rd, just so you guys know. So you might want to get it done before then. And you don't want to vote for, what the heck it doesn't say on there. You don't want to vote for the Chinese department that's looking after it. I read some news articles on it. They're really screwing the company. They own 11% of the company, some Chinese division. You definitely want to kick them out of the seat. Okay, so I voted against everything. All the directors, right down. No, 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 no. Let's get them all out of there and get some new people in there. I like doing that. I like purging the system, right? Let's get some new eyes on there. Same as AMC. I voted no on everything. On everything, even their legal department. No, 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 no. Share dilution. No, no, no. All the way down. Let's purge it. Even Adam, I purged him, but he got still in. But anyways, I purged everything. Let's get new people in there, new eyes on it, right? Adam did a good job. It's just there's some things I don't agree with him about dumping the shares back into the system like that. That did hurt us a bit. But it is what it is. We bought those up, and we did hold our ground, right, with AMC. But I just think that there should be some new eyes. All these companies should get new directors. Everybody, they're old. All these guys have been on there for 20, 30 years, man. Let's get some new people in there, right? Some newer gen. Get some newer gen in there, some more knowledge, some smarter knowledge with new computer education and stuff like that. Right? Because this thing's all going computerized. All of it is. Well, you get some old guys, then they're like me, that don't understand every aspect of it, right? Let's get some younger guys in there, right? Might do a difference. It might change things. You can always vote back in a couple years, right? AMC. Let's get on here. Let's go back to AMC. I want to cover Sundial. Okay, Sundial, SNDL. Sundial growers, we're at 0.96%. This is a buy zone right now, definitely for this stock, because this stock trades at a buck and a bit. So you can make yourself some money. You know it's going to go back up, right? Because it trades all day long up in this range. What is this, a buck? Yeah, a buck 10, a buck 5. It hangs out in there. I haven't seen it. It would have to get a substantial amount of volume. They do own a lot of shares. That's the problem. These marijuana stocks have tons of shares on the market. It would take a lot to buy this up. Workhorse. I wanted to check something. Workhorse Group right here. I just want to look at something today. Oh, fuck off. Where did that go now? Are you kidding me? Okay, Workhorse, what are you at? $14. They had a good run up pre-market. Where are they at? Workhorse. What are you doing to me here? I got to save it to a different list. It's messing with me. Anyways, it is what it is. We're not going to screw with the chart here. It's up. It's up too. But yeah, thanks for everybody that's jumping on. Hey, Free, how you doing? Good morning. Good morning, brother. I didn't see you jump on earlier. I would have sent it. Yeah, what about you think about the new reel, the 005? I think it's all right. Obviously, it's not working, right? I think one of them comes in effect immediately, and then one was in, 2 days or something? I really didn't dive into it that much. I did watch it on another channel, and I watched it on the Fox News. We're just getting hammered on. So hopefully this little bit of a downslope here, that we're going to get some whales in here and just buy up millions of shares right now, would fucking drive us to the moon. It would help us out so much right now. Yeah, I'm down probably about 20 grand right now. 10 grand, but no, about 10G right now, which I don't care. It doesn't bother me. I don't care because I know this is going back up. They're trying to drive us down because remember we needed to stay at 60 by Friday. Yeah, so they know that because of the options, right? If it was in the 60s, it would screw them, but Our volume is just ticking slow here. Come on, guys, pick up. It's early in the day. What are we at? 22.7.2 billion. Yeah, they're selling right now. There's somebody selling. Somebody that has a lot of shares is selling off right now. That's what the problem is. I wish we could get news on this right now. Did you guys hear anything? Good morning, Kat. It's gonna go pretty low today, Kat. There's something happening. Somebody's selling. I think a bunch of whales bought up when it drove it to the $60, $70 mark. And I think that they're selling off institution or something's happening right now because that's a lot of shares that just got dumped. There's a million right there. There's 1.3 million shares right there on 1 minute candle. That's a lot. There's another million. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 million shares in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 minutes. 11 shares. 11 million shares were sold. We're expecting this though. What we have to do is look at the big picture. Okay, so let's just zoom out here. This is what you do on a stock. Nope. Let's put it on the 1 day, guys. So there's where we are right here. Right, we're getting down there low. But we're still up quite a bit, okay? Because you have to remember we were down in here. Remember we were down in the $12? This is the $14 range right in here is where I started making money. Right there, $14.28, okay? So it's up like a couple 100%. Easy. So I don't know where you guys got money, but I know a lot of people have doubled down. So let's put this back on the minute. Yeah, they're driving us hard. We need some volume. But what might happen right here is this might get the attention of some big whales might jump in here and bring some smart money in, okay? And at this price. Everybody that bought call options in the high zone are hating life right now. They are losing so much money. And there's apes that buy call options too. Yeah. I do see a huge wave coming too. I could definitely see this going up for sure because it's on sale huge right now. This is AMC, man. Like it doesn't go down this low. You haven't seen it this low in a long time. At least a week. Yeah, that's right. So you have to remember a lot of people don't get out of bed until like 9, 10. Remember we've seen those trends between like 8, between 10. We see that upswing, right? Pretty much every day. Pretty much every day, guys. I know I'm trying to keep you positive here, and that's my job. It is what it is. It is what it is, right? I'm not going to sit and go, oh, I wish I would have cashed out. I'm not going to be one of those guys. It is what it is, right? So it is Wednesday. Yeah, they only got 2 days to screw with us. So because on Friday, everybody's waiting till Friday, I think, and holding off. And I'm gonna purchase more shares on Friday. I don't care what the fucking cost is, right? Even if it's $100, I'm gonna buy like $200-300 worth. I'm just going to dump it in. If I only get 2 shares, I only get 2 shares. If I get 1 share, I get 1 share. It is what it is, right? Who knows what the price will be by then. But okay, we're doing it right now. Okay, we're getting some momentum now, guys. We're getting some side action. That's what we needed was this side action. We weren't getting any right here. We're getting fuck all. So, anyways, now we got some. This is going to build to the side a bit. We need a couple little candlesticks off to the green side, and then we'll get that up tail. This is how that stock, I've watched it. I know how this stock runs. It's a very, very peculiar stock. I've never seen any stock work like this one before. So anyways, any guys got any other questions or anything that you want to discuss? So I'm not just dazing off on this screen here. I'm not going to go over to Loop Energy here. hydrofuel. Put this on the 30. Whoa, no volume on the 30. Oh, it's suspended again. That's why. I didn't even look at that. I'm like, what's going on here? It got halted. There, it's open. They just opened it. So they halted it because the stock's dropping too fast. This company is a really peculiar company. I don't know how they can halt it. There, it got suspended again. It gets halted and suspended like 20 times a day. And when it goes down just a bit, they halt it. No, Free, they can't stop a squeeze. There's no way that they can stop us. When it goes, it goes. They can't stop a squeeze. No, not at all. It can't happen. The only thing that'll happen is a halt breaker. If it breaks, and what it will do is lose momentum. That's the only thing that will happen. Okay? That's why they halt a stock, or a breaker will crack, right? And it'll just stop. It's a volatility breaker. So what will happen, they'll fuck up the algorithm. And then when it does that, the stock will start going down, and then they'll unlock it, and if it's on a down swoop fast, it'll keep on going and keep on going and keep on going. It takes a substantial amount of volume to drive it the other way. That's why they halt it. Okay, on some occasions, that's not always what a halt is for. There's a lot of different ways that are halts for. If it's going up too fast, it'll get halted. AMC's been halted on that upswing of 100. Remember when it did 100, it got halted twice. So somebody halted it for some reason. We don't know why, but that screwed it. It probably would have gone up to a couple 100% that day if they didn't halt it. That algorithm, once it starts going, it's hard to stop it. Even if they're selling, it can drive it up higher and higher and higher because it goes on momentum, right? That's how it works. Wow. So we did see this back here, right here. Okay, we got a limit here. I'm on a 30-minute chart. I'm just looking at these things. So we got at right where it is right now. It's a little bit low. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points. I can't see it going any lower than that. That's a pretty strong resistance right there at that level. Right? Like about the $22 range. What do we have here? $21.94. Those are our levels. I always keep these here. These are our different levels that we broke through without the last week. Okay? When did we do this? June 2nd to now. So 2 weeks. That's 2 weeks progress that they just hammered us down on. That took us 2 weeks to get up that high. Right? But yeah, see, it's bouncing right now off that. So let's put it back on the 1 minute here. And we're just going to have a look here. Yeah, see, we're fighting them back. A lot of traders will do is just shut the computer off and walk away for the day. You know that, right? Because it just mentally messes with you. Just so you know, professionals will. Unless they're paper trading. If they're day trading, you don't shut your computer off and walk away. You have to work through it, right? But a lot of people will put it on a 1 hour candle because you don't see it. Here we go. We're pushing up. We got some push up here. I'm just telling you how different traders trade. Not that we're going to do that, right? But yeah, they'll just walk away from it and just wait till the next day. I can't do that personally, but here we go. Here we go. I'm going to pull some news up here, guys. Just give me a minute here. I'm just going to go into Gmail. I'm just going to pull some news up here. See what happens. Just let me go into my charts here. I'll be a second here. Just look at the screen and relax and chill out. And I'm just going to see if I see anything here on the stock market. Actually, I'm going to use my phone actually on that one. It's easier on my phone. Okay, just give me a minute here. I'm gonna see if we see anything here. Just give me a minute. Yeah. Hedges are starting to cover shares, but you can't believe this because these are hedge fund run ads, especially Market Watch. So I don't believe that at all. Here we go. AMC shorts get smoked again. Call auctions hammered calls. So that was 1 day ago. That was yesterday. That's old news. Nothing. They don't like putting news out, I noticed, right away. Let's check in here. I'm going to go into Webull and see if I see anything on the news here, guys. Just give me a minute here. I do have a couple messages. Oh, yeah, it's a breaker. It's a warning that the stocks drop. Nice. I don't want to hear that. Okay, let's get rid of that. That's just crap news. Okay, let's check out some news on Webull. Just looking at the market, the whole market's down, eh? Asian canvas is up. I didn't even know there was an Asian canvas out there. Okay, top news. Here we go. Nothing. Nothing. Weird. Usually they got a news going on. No, it's all on foreign stocks. Oh, here we go. If you're interested in $1,000 in GameStop when Ryan comes in, that was 16 minutes ago. No, it's just people talk. Well, there's actually Jim Cramer actually says meme people AMC is down. I think it's time to burst in Wall Street bets. So he's just giving it a buy signal. Time to hammer in, right? And start buying. So that's coming from some news catalyst here. So I'm not going to dig anymore. I just wanted to have a look at that. I just wanted to have a look and see what was going on here, guys. It is what it is, right? So I just wanted to cover that. We don't have anything interesting on that. Okay. Oh, it did go up a bit since I was looking at that. So there we got three crows sitting there. 3 crows is a sign of a bullish trend. Okay, after with a reversal with a green candle. Usually. Air Canada's even down too. I'm just going to check AC out. Holy shit. That's a nice run right there. That's what we want to see. That would be nice if all the stocks did that. That's beautiful. Yeah, it's down too. Back down to $27. BlackBerry's down to $16.08. I'm glad I got it in my position on that. I'm glad I did. Like I said, I just did a vote on it this morning. I just got my vote card on that. I voted no on everything. I think they should purge it. The whole system. Get rid of all those old CEOs out of there. How can Fuse Cobalt go down any frigging lower? I've already lost fucking $5,000 on it. Now it's down to 0.09%. It's like worth nothing. There, that's one of the stocks I got screwed on. It is what it is. So, GameStop's down to $210.44. 5.37% in the red right now. We'll go back to AMC, guys. I was just having a look around. So, guys, tell me a story. Talk to me. Talk to me, guys. I would wait to buy. Is lower than. Oh yeah, I was just reading your comments here. Oh yeah, this is just a false. Just yeah, you don't read into this too much here. This is really nothing. It's nothing. It's just giving people a deal to buy in, right? Wait until about 8. Wait until about 9:10, and then you'll get a true reading on it. Here we go. Yeah, MicroVision will squeeze. For sure, MicroVision will squeeze. Don't know when. We need volume on all this stuff. None of this will squeeze unless we have more volume. You have to have volume for a squeeze. This won't squeeze either. AMC will not squeeze unless we get more volume. It just won't happen. We need more volume. Every stock will need, you need a substantial amount of volume to get a squeeze going on. As soon as you get that algorithm, like I told you, it starts going, you can't stop it. And then especially if there's shorts covering it, just adds to it, right? To get this to squeeze, we know 4 times as much volume as we do right now. Like we're only at 44 million shares and we've been open. We were getting 44 million shares within like 10 minutes of the market open back in the day, right? Well, with that one day we got 500 million shares. We overturned 80% of the volume in one day. That's huge. That was back in, when was that back in? But we can steadily climb. I'm not saying that we will get back. We can get back up to our number. For sure we can. We can slowly do it just like we are right now, right? Like look at this. This is a bullish sign right here. This is a good sign, okay? This. So we got resistance points. This is we do have these resistance points right down here. When it touched down here, that's why it went back up. Is because that's a bottom level of support. Sorry guys, support. We have really good levels of support. To drive it past those levels, it takes a lot. The same as when we have to touch on 3-4 times. AMC is that touches about 4 to 5 times on a certain levels before it'll break through. If you look at the past history, that's what I do. I study charts. After hours, I'll pull back charts and look at them and just try to read them and see if I see consistencies, right? Jonathan, how you doing today? SPCE. Okay, we'll check that out for you. SPCE. Is that Virgin Galactic? Is that what you're talking to? Give me a thumbs up or something, brother. Because there's a couple different stocks under that ticker symbol. Okay. It is down. It's at $34.78. It's actually not down that low if this is the right one. Waiting on announcement to sell and buy from the junkie. Yeah, it's Virgin Galactic. Okay, thanks, brother. So yeah, just it's down a little bit right now, but not that bad. Like it's almost par. Workhorse is down. See, everything's down. Cloves down. Yeah, so this is normal, guys. Torchlight. I knew that was going to rip today. I frigging knew this thing was going to go today. I knew it. I knew it was going to go. It's just, I will not buy into something right now. I got my AMC, man. See, that's the problem. People are spreading out too far. If they would concentrate on one stock, like AMC and GME, this thing would have already gone to $5,000. It's just people are spreading out too much. That's the problem, right? I'm not giving anybody shit or anything. It's just that it's screwing up the cause, right? The cause was never to do this, right? So everybody's attacking all these short stocks. If we did one at a time and pounded AMC, made our $1 million or 500 G off of it, then moved to the next stock, hammered on them and hammered on them and hammered on them. But now we have these infiltrated. We have these people infiltrated into in like on Reddit now. that are hedge funds. This thing's going on crazy, man. Okay, let's pull this back here. Oh, wow. Killer run. Fuck. It would almost be worth it to jump on the bandwagon here. This thing's going to rip today. Wow. I could see this going up in the 70-80% for sure. It's only $6 a share too. That's cheap. But you got to, that's the problem. It's catching people's eyes and it's screwing with people, right? So anyways, that's good stock, man. I would definitely, if it was me, I would buy that. But I'm staying with AMC, man. I'm dedicated to this one stock. So I already know that when it goes, when this thing goes, it's gonna go. We just pound it. Oh, see, that's that level of resistance. We're touching it. Come on, lock in. We're gonna work our way back up, guys. I definitely know that. It's just gonna take a little bit. We just need to have people to wake up and get out of bed and start playing on their smartphones. Lithium, Vision, lithium's up a bit today, 3.45. I got about 5G on that one too. I'm about 65% down on that one. It goes up 3% and then back down. 3% back down. It's very annoying. But they will never short squeeze. Those are long investments, right? Those are actually the way the stock market's supposed to run. Because after all this short squeeze stuff is all done, because they're not shorting any more stocks. The hedges are changing to options, okay? Just so you guys, I don't know if you're aware of that, but this short squeeze will be a thing of the past. Just so you guys know, after all these little stocks are done, that's it. That's it. They're changing their ways, man. They're actually doing it. They can't get loans anymore. Banks are not working with them. They've lost too much money, right? They're not getting any loans. They can't. These rules are changing. They can't triple shelve stocks anymore. There's a lot of things happening. Okay, it's called a movement. Okay, so it's changing the stocks the way it works. So they've found other ways to make money. Okay, is on options, option trading. So now they're taking over the option world, right? Which will bust us out of the option world, and then we won't be able to do options because they got more money than us. So what they'll do is drive stocks up and down until it hits their options and they cash out. That's the new way of making money off the market. It's corrupt as hell, but there's nobody to stop it, right? These laws just come in and they find a way around it. So, excuse me. So just so you guys know, that this squeeze stuff, it will be a thing of the past in the next year. Okay, there won't be any more getting rich off squeezing. Okay, and short selling. Okay, which is good because it all this is bankrupts companies. That's all it is doing. Okay, and it makes if you're in on it, you get rich and you can lose money too. If you don't get out when you're supposed to get out, you're stuck holding a bag, man. Like with no money in it. It's not good. It's good for people, but this isn't the normal way of stock trading. All the seasoned traders would know that, right? This is not normal. But I'm all for the squeeze, right? Because I want to get rich. I want to do it, and then I'm pulling out of the market. I'll just throw a little bit of money in and into some good, strong stocks and just set them for 20 years, and that's it. They're like Air Canada, I got energy sector, all the stuff that pays dividend. I'll be investing in that stuff and just pulling back, and that's my retirement. I will not be playing in stuff like this because you'll just lose money, right? We've gone up like quite a bit. We've gone up 3% already today. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good climb. Waiting on announcement to sell and then buy for the... I'm just reading through your notes here. So yeah, I was thinking about going camping this week. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's my buddy's birthday today. I'll wait until he's not up yet. He doesn't get up until 10. But anyways, yeah, it's his birthday today. I think I might take him out in the RV this weekend or this week. I think I might go camping, so I might not be on for a couple days because I don't get cell service out. Well, I get sporadic cell service, not enough to blast data, but I do have enough to get messages to find out if there's a squeeze. If there's a squeeze happening, for sure I'll be going out to where there's data and blasting off a YouTube channel. I already have all the software ready. I just have to push a button and it launches the video. The videos are already made to tell you that the squeeze is happening. So what a late night last night. Wow. Okay, so trying to see, I'm just having a look at my portfolio. Yeah, there's only MicroVision's come up a bit. It's trading at $20.64. It is 1.05 in the green. Not much, but a day like today, you take what you can get, right? Yeah, that's sad. Also, so this isn't just I just, so you guys are aware of this, this is normal for the day, okay? There's every stock is getting schwacked, okay? It's not just AMC. We're not just being targeted, okay? Just so you guys are aware of that. This is just normal across the market today. And people are being tight with their money too, right? Like it's everything's so expensive nowadays, right? So people are watching what they put money in. We're getting a lot of green down here though in the last little bit. That's that one friggin' level here. $55.29. That seems to be that level again. Let's go back here a bit. I'm just going to put this on the 5 minute. Yeah, that's that touch point again. Right there. 1, 2. Well, maybe a little bit lower. Yeah, I remember the $59 range. Seems to be that range, eh? It won't take long to recover on this, though. We could recover on this in 2 hours. Easy, easy, easy. Tomorrow morning, this thing might go crazy. We don't know, right? That's the thing with the stock market. You just don't know. And it's only one red day. You have to remember that. We've had, I don't know how many green days we've had in a row. But I know we're up 3/4 green days compared to red days. I know that for a fact. Let's pull out here for the 1 hour. I can tell by looking at this. What day was that? June 4th? It's been a good go. A lot of action in here though, compared to down in here. Yeah, what day was that? That was the 3rd of June was the best day that we had. That was a beautiful day, $77. People must be paper handing this too. I think they are. They're selling off and then trying to relocate back in, which I don't recommend. You could screw yourself bad on that. This is stock, you don't want to do that. Because if it rips and then you got caught with like, it's going to cost you a fortune to get back in. What's GME doing? It's coming up to that. It's levitating. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I'm not going to stay on that long, guys. There's really nothing. This is just, I don't like broadcasting negative information. It's one of those days, guys, where just shut your phone off and just go do something and check it at the end of the day. That's what I'm going to do. I got some stuff to do around the house. I got my indicators set. So if it goes off crazy or anything like that, I will back on and definitely be messaging you guys. Because it can squeeze any day. Like this could turn into a squeeze too. We don't know, right? But I would be definitely waiting till I'd say about 10 o'clock. I'll be definitely checking it then. But yeah, I'm going to jump offline because I don't want to sit here and just be broadcasting red candles. It's just not the way I'd roll, right? I'm sorry, guys, but yeah, I'm going to jump off here and yeah, just go and enjoy your day. right? Unless you're going to buy, this is the perfect day to buy right now, right? I'm just not buying anything until Friday, till payday, and I'm going to be definitely buying some more stock. I'm going to put some money into the cause. I don't care what price it's at. I'm definitely going to be buying a couple $100 worth of stock. Okay, guys, I want you to have a great day. This is CS Trades 101, Wolfpack. I'm over and out. And like I said, if you want to hit the sub button, we're going to be here tomorrow morning, and we're going to be covering this stock. And I can see definitely a green day tomorrow for sure. We have only 2 days till the 18th till all those options expire. That could potentially turn into a gamma squeeze. Okay, that's what everybody's going towards, and looks like things are turning around here. We're getting some more momentum, but I'm going to jump off here. And I got some things to do. And I know you guys got some things to do. So why don't you go get some stuff done? Go to work, have some fun, go do some stuff around the house if you're not working. Get outside if it's nice weather. Go and enjoy the day. Okay? Over and out, Wolfpack. You guys keep it real.